belly. We're not creating any tension here, any pressure. We're just holding it. And we're going to begin some breath work. Have a comfortable stance with your feet. You can even do this seated to start. And let's begin to breathe in. And notice the ball and the movement, gentle movement on the ball with the breath. So this is a really nice way to tap into your breath work. On the inhale, breathe, and notice if you can sense the ball starting to roll ever so slightly up towards your sternum. And then on the exhale, it starts to descend ever so slightly. Have a comfortable stance with a soft bend in the knee and just begin to bounce the heel of the hand on the ball and creating this rhythm. And at first it may feel a little bit interrupted, a little staccato almost. So with time, we'll become more comfortable with creating a rhythmic bouncing of the ball. And we have a soft bend in the elbow, but our arm is active. It's not floppy. We don't have floppy spaghetti arm. We're keeping it active, just bouncing, bouncing. Very good. And noticing how this feels. And now as we continue to bounce, we're going to start to change the direction of the hand, so creating more rotation. So we're going to begin to roll the palm forward, coming onto the pinky edge of the hand, and the palm faces forward. And just explore your full rotational capacity without pushing, and then coming in the other direction, palm back to the ball, and now roll the other way. So we're coming towards the thumb and the palm is shining back. And can we roll a little further so the palm starts to shine out towards the right and coming back through center, and doing that again, and just finding any little rotational micro play that you can find, and noticing how it feels to move this way in the shoulder. Let's do one more each way, and the ball may shift around a little. If that happens, just reposition. And so nice to do this for the wrist, the elbow, the shoulder. It's very gentle and subtle. It's one I do after tennis because it does create a nice resonance in my body after, you know, a game that can be very pounding in the body. And release. Place the ball between the knees for a moment just to hold it. Notice the arms, notice the right, notice the left. And just float the arms up, palms facing up, side to side. Notice how it feels to lift the right arm and the left. Do you notice? Good. Just a few of these. I know they're challenging. Push. This is obviously not my good side. Push in to lift up. Last one. Very nice. Let it go. Shake it out. Last couple of pulses really spoke to the back leg. So give it a shake. Let's actually give it a good shake. Let's shake, 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 and bounce on the heels, because then we're going to come to our bums and do some work on our bums and our knees. Shake that energy and just be with it. Bounce on the heels, shaking the tree. We're getting signs of spring here. Little buds shooting up. So nice. We get the early spring. I know, I'm sorry guys who have snow, but let me tell you, we pay for it in rain. Lord, we pay for it in rain. There's so much muck on my patio right now, and the dogs have been just mucky little creatures for months. So you bounce, 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 bounce. Bring the hands up if you want. Yeah, shake it off. Sway the hips if you want. Yeah, shake off your worries, shake off your stress. And we come to stillness. Nice. Feel that energy buzz. How about we collect our hands in front of our heart as if we're holding the ball now, and begin to bring the fingers in and away, and see if we can hold this sphere of energy and connect with it. So after we invigorate the energy in our body, we can often then sense it in the hands. Another way to do this is to rub the hands vigorously for a few minutes, and then you can start to play with this little energy ball in your hands. It's fun. Good. And see if it will move with your hands. Good. This wasn't planned for class today, but I always love to do it with you all. It's fun. And now take that energy that you've collected and bring it anywhere into your body that needs that energy, that light, that love. I'm bringing it to my jaw. You guys bring it anywhere you want. Very good. Okay, take a sip of water if you want. And now we're coming to our knees. So we're going to be working in progression here. We're going to start with the ball under our knees. If it's okay if they don't. And then create a little bounce with the ball. Bum is bouncing. So now we're really stimulating the lower legs and glutes with this bounce and noticing how this feels in the abdominals and the spine. Take a break if you need to come on up. Slowly come up, get your bearings so you don't get dizzy, and take a break. And from here, we're going to start to twist to one side. So let's twist to the right, everyone. And come back through center and twist to the left. And this is a really nice place to notice our freedom side and our side that has more boundary. So just be with it, explore it. We're not trying to push past it. We're just curious. Good. And just a few more. Just move in and breathe in and enjoying this reverberation that we may be feeling through the spine, having the ball in the belly, and slowly bring the hands up to the ball. Slowly, slowly come up. Slowly, and get your bearings. Just hold the ball at your center. Take a breath and notice how that feels, and notice your spine. I really enjoy that one. Just to say, if you feel anything going on in the abdominals, a little gas